In this video, we are going to be finding the inverses of 2 by 2 matrices. So let's get started. First, we need to find the determinant of the matrices. So, the determinant of this matrix is 4 times 5 minus -3 times 8. If we solve for that, we should get 44. Yeah, so that equals 44. Okay, now we have to do a special procedure. First, let's assume this is our matrix. Alpha, beta, delta, and gamma. Right? So now what we need to do is turn this into so then this would be gamma, this would be negative beta, this would be negative gamma, and this would be alpha. Right? And then to find the inverse, we'd multiply this by 1 over the determinant. So that's how you find the inverse of the 2 by 2 matrix. So now let's apply that concept into our question. So we already have the determinant. So now we do five, 4, -8, 3. And now we multiply this by 1 over 44. And now this should be 5 over 44. This will be -2 over 11. This is 3 over 44. And this is 5 over, it's 1 over 11. And that is our first answer. Time for the second question. Okay, so 7 times 0 minus negative 3 times negative 4. And this is just negative 12. So D equals negative 12. And then now this matrix is 7, 4, 3, 0 multiplied by 1 over the determinant. And then so this would be negative 7 over 12, negative 1 over 3, negative 1 over 4, and 0. And I'm just going to solve this on my calculator really quick. Just give me 1 second. Yeah, so this is our answer. Now it's time for the third question. So, negative 4 times 6 minus negative 3 times 8, which equals 0, so no inverse exists. And the last two questions. Okay. So, doing the determinant like this, 4 times 6 minus negative 2 times negative 10, and that would equal 4. So D equals 4. Multiply by 1 over 4. So then this would equal. So this turns to 3 over 2, 5 over 2, 1/2, and then 1. Five times negative 2 minus negative 2 times 1. This equals negative 8. So d equals -8. And now this turns to -2, -1, 2, 5, multiplied by -1/8. So in the end, we get an answer of this is 1/4, 1/8, -1/4, -5/8. And this is the answer. Thank you for watching, and in the next video, I'm going to be solving systems of equations using inverses. So yeah.